German philosopher Arthur Schopenhauer said, "The shortness of life, so often lamented, may be the best thing about it," meaning life actually has always had its own complications, complexities, difficulties, and dangers about itself that we're not always willing or desirous to recognize, understand, or admit to, because we fundamentally function and operate and governed by the principles of ignorance, desperation, frustration, hopelessness, jealousy, anger that we basically have for our own inability, incapability, insecurity, uh, deficiency relating to our skill, mindset, emotion, and action, and also because of other people's success, achievements, possessions, riches, and so on and so forth. But life has always been short. Life is not limitless, infinite, or eternal for anyone, no matter who they are, what they have, under any circumstances and situations. Life is ephemeral, and everything related to life also is similarly and simultaneously short-lived and subject to perish and death and disappearance. So each and every one of us is going to die and vanish into nothingness and disappear into the eternity of the universe itself. So we are limited because of our biological creation and the human condition that basically makes us a living, breathing animal with flesh, blood, bones, and organs, with the help of which we basically are living, and that means we will die. And we also are dying emotionally, mentally, and psychologically because of life's own inherent sufferings and sorrows, and also because of our own intentional and deliberate choices and decisions that are destructive, violent, and dangerous for our well-being. So the shortness of life actually should be appreciated and admired and approved of by all of us, because it's the best way to end all of our internal or external problems, tragedies, deficiencies, failures in one way or another. So if life does not end, then our problems and sufferings will also continue despite our success, possessions, or achievements. Suffering never ends, it just changes its forms or shapes or its locations, but suffering has always been associated with life and present everywhere and in everyone's case. So the shortness of life and that we die is actually the best thing about life itself, because that ends everything about